Hello everybody, today in front of me I have MOTOROLA Moto G22 smartphone, and in this video we will demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on this device. So first of all, you gotta open up the Play Store. Here at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, make sure to tap on this green install button that is located in front of the application itself and wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. As you will see right now, it will not take a lot of time, so we just wait. Next, we're going to open up the application and set up some of the first launch stuff. So here, you got to tap on continue. Next, you'll be provided with an opportunity to choose whether some of the features this Opera browser has to offer will be enabled from the start, or you can skip and manage them later. In my case, I'll enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip the step where I'm able to set up the Opera as my default browser. Here, tap on allow. And we are all set already. So that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.